How to log in to your Taptap Send account. Now in order to log in to your Taptap Send account, just simply open any of your browser and then search for Taptap Send. After searching that, you will get to see the first link of taptapsend.com. Simply open it, and after going in this page, you will not find the login button from this direct home page. You need to tap into these three bars. After that, select the option of Contact Us. And after selecting Contact Us, again tap to these three bars. Then you will get the option of Sign In. Tap to Sign In button, and after tapping in the Sign In, you need to enter your email address in the very top and password in the second row. After entering your email address and password correctly, tap to Sign In, and you will successfully be signed in to your Taptap Send account. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.